To fix payment decline issue on your YouTube TV, this is the video for you. Simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If your YouTube TV payment is declined, then the first thing which you need to do is that you just need to open YouTube TV on your device, and you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So open YouTube TV app on your device and click on the option of settings at the very bottom or wherever you see, and from there click on the option of billing. So under billing you'll see the option of payment method. So click on the option of payment method and make sure that your debit or the credit card or even PayPal is valid on it, and also make sure that if you have entered the debit or credit card, your card is not expired. The second thing which you can do is that you just need to check the available balance on your card. So ensure that your bank account or card has sufficient balance on it. Some bank may also block charges from international or subscription service, so make sure to talk to the bank also. And if that doesn't help, then you just need to open settings on a device. So sometimes that there may be some kind of box or errors on the YouTube app too. So you just need to open settings and click on the option of general. So under general, click on the option of iPhone storage. And from here, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of YouTube TV. So click on it and click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it helps you to fix the common errors or box which is currently occurring on the app. So click on the option of it and click on the option of reinstall app again to reinstall it. So that's it. By doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the payment decline issue on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.